Welcome back to Review Rundown. I'm going to show you how to use face swap with anyone you like. Let's get right into the video. To start off, let's go over the requirements needed to be able to complete the task at hand. You will need to have a Discord account, access to Midjourney, and face swap app. I have added all the links in the description to help you get access to all three. Once you've created a Discord account, we can create a Discord server. To do so, head over to the green plus button on the left side of your Discord. A pop-up appears. Click Create My Own, then for me and my friends. Now we can name our new server. Click Create. You now have a new Discord server. Let's go ahead and add our face swap app to our new Discord server. I have provided the link in the description below. Copy it and paste it into the search bar. Once it loads, we are asked to allow the face swap application. Add it to our new server by clicking Select a Server. Find our new server and click Continue. Click Authorize. You might get a verification pop-up asking if you are a human. If you already have your photos saved and ready to use, we can continue. If you do not have photos saved yet, go ahead and find the photos you want to use. The photos I will be using is of Taylor Swift, Dwayne Johnson, and Mr. Bean. In our Discord server, type in /SaveID. This will bring up a pop-up for our face swap. For my first image, I am going to use the photo of Dwayne Johnson, so I will name it Dwayne in the ID name section. Now upload your photo to the Discord server. Let's do the same thing, but this time with my second photo of Mr. Bean. For my ID name, I will name it Bean. Now that we've saved both under the names Dwayne and Bean, we can begin setting up our Midjourney. Head over to the Midjourney Discord server. If the members list is hidden, click the icon above to bring out our members list. Now that we have our members list open, find the Midjourney bot. Right-click over it and select the profile option. This will open a pop-up. In here, we will need to click Add to Server and add it to our new server. Click Continue, and then Authorize. If it asks you to verify that you are a human, do so. We've set up our face swap app and our Midjourney. Time to test out our face swap app in our Discord server. Type /SwapID. With the ID name, we are going to refer back to our names of our photos. In my case, it was Dwayne and Bean, so I will use those names in my ID name section. Once we've done that, upload our second image and hit Enter. This will generate a face swap image using the two photos. Let's try it again, but this time using the ID name Dwayne instead of Bean. Sweet, we are ready to implement Midjourney into our face swap. Start off by typing /imagine. You will get the prompt pop up, hit enter, and begin typing who you'd like to face swap with. In my case, I'm going to use the Mona Lisa. Hit enter and wait for Midjourney to generate 4 versions of your picture. Once the images generate, select the one you like the most by clicking the upscale button. For me, version 2 was the best one, so I selected that one. This will generate a bigger version of our image. Once it does, right-click over the image and hover over apps. While hovering over apps, click the InSwapper app and watch the image generate using the referred names we used. If you guys need any help or have any questions, please feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, hit the subscribe button.